Words cannot express what it means for us, for all of us here today on behalf of our tribe, to stand here as one generation among many who have called San Bernardino home.
San Manuel works to build and develop an economy for the tribe, and the growth of this economy benefits neighborhoods and communities around us through employment, business relationships, nonprofit support, and intergovernmental agreements.
Well, my hopes and my thoughts are to continue the sustainability for our tribe, to continue the economic diversification, to be able to provide more jobs for the community, and to keep up with the philanthropy and to help those that are in need.
The San Manuel Band of Mission Indians have been a source of job growth in our region, crossing the threshold of 4,000 employees, making it one of the largest employers in the Inland Empire, with 27% of those employees coming from the city of San Bernardino. Now, therefore, be it proclaimed that the Mayor and City Council of the City of San Bernardino hereby designate March 6th as a day in honor and appreciation of the San Manuel Band of Mission Indians. Thank you very much.